Today, we will be using Google Chrome to import and export bookmarks. To start, we will click the three dots in the top right corner of our browser. Hover over Bookmarks and Lists and then click the Bookmark Manager. You can't choose which bookmarks you would like to export, so keep in mind that when you do this, it will be all of your bookmarks. Click the three dots in the top right corner again. Choose Export Bookmarks. And then choose the location and file name. Click Save, and then we can go and see the HTML file on our desktop. Start by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Hover over Bookmarks and Lists again. This time we can go directly to Import Bookmarks and Settings. Choose how you will be importing, choose the file, and then import the bookmarks to your browser. Notice how all of my bookmarks were imported and not just the one folder. If this is important, you can find several extensions that will allow you to export specific folders only. After we have finished importing the bookmarks, we can reorganize and rename the folder accordingly.